what's up everyone? I'm Kristen. This is Wimbles of My Hair. Merry Christmas. I got some stuff, or happy holidays. I got some stuff created for Macy's. This is like a makeup one, and this is a hair one. So let's look at the hair one first. It is Sleek and Shine Essentials. So they create these kind of promotional things for the holidays. Everybody knows that. They have big ticket prices on them, like $40 on this one, $38.50. But really, you can get them for like $20, which I did on their website. Okay, this piece was empty. I'm going to save that though in case I sell some clothes on Poshmark. So Poshmark, yeah, same name. When was my hair? So this right here is a shampoo. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's teeny tiny. So that's kind of, I mean, when you have long hair and you look at bottles that size, it's like, Anyway, here's some nice little sprays. Oh, yay. I'm gonna look at that closer up later. I just wanna look at what else is in here. Okay, hold on a bit. Okay, so it's gonna make things easier is that on the back they tell you what everything is. Yay. Because it's so hard to read that tiny print. This of course is their dry shampoo. I love this for the pocketbook or the purse, you know, whatever. Ooh, let's just, oh, I had a bob pin in. Hold on, take that out. Oh, I love it. It smells so delicious. Oh, look at how poofy. Wow. Let me go through that. Ooh. Yeah, this is a good one. Look at how full my hair got. Dang. That's their detox shampoo. This is their leave-in conditioner. Okay, this is the next thing. It's called leave-in conditioner. Love my leave. Love my leave-in. Oh, love my leave-in. Let's see what this feels like. It's always hard to get. Oh. I can't get over how good this smells. I mean, it is just like yum. Oh, I love it. It smells phenomenal, and I would totally just sit here and spray that on my hair for like a half an hour until the bottle is empty. Anyway, like I said, when you have long hair, when you see a bottle like that, it just looks like fish food. You know, it's just super tiny amount. Oh my gosh, do I even have to straighten it? It looks great, and all I did was use their, what do you call it? Their dry shampoo and leave-in. So I'm done. Okay, I'm not done because there's more. So what else is in here? Okay, let's get to the good stuff. That was the good stuff, I think. But I think what originally drew me was not this tiny conditioner so much. Yeah, that'll be gone in one use. I don't even know if I'd be able to review it. Oh, surprise, surprise, this little oil. That's so cute. This would be good for my kid at work. Let's see what that feels like. Oh, nice. It's very firm. I mean, not really because it's running, but it's not tacky, but this is, oh. Ooh, again, the smell is good, but so far, this had the most delicious scent. I loved it. I'm really loving this oil. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Oh my gosh. I've never ever just put products in my hair and thought, oh, I could go out. That's never happened. Maybe I should have gone to work for Frederick Fekkai. Choices. So, this is definitely stuck together good. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut that. Hold on. So I'm just gonna cut this thingy off because I can't just pull it off. Yay! All right. So far so good. Oh, it's got more little ties on it. All right. So, you know how it is when you have the gift in your hand that you want and it's wrapped up so tight. Yeah. See, still looking for the easiest way to do this, but the easiest way is the only way, which is to untwist it. So I'm going to plug this in over here. Voila. Ooh, more paper and stuff. Ow, ow, ow. Don't put your hand here when you're taking this off. Ow. And this is that stuff you should definitely throw away in the trash. So I just turned it on. It just has an on-off switch. Doesn't look like there's anything that turns the power up. I'm going to put it to the side somewhere safe while it heats up. And while it heats up, I'm going to show you the makeup. Okay, when I got the makeup, I got the makeup bag. So this was a free gift that comes with another, hold on, let's open this free gift up. First of all, I love the color. It's so pretty. Ooh, look, space. Ugh. The only thing I hate is these tiny openings. That's the worst. Anything that it's just like, you know, anyway, so it's cute, it's free. Probably won't fit in my purse because my purse is super tiny, but it's a pretty cool makeup bag. Very pretty, and it looks like it's pretty washable. Anyway, that looks good. This said it was from MAC. That's why I thought, damn, $20 from MAC? And this doesn't have as good of a description as the other one did, but it looks like there's obviously more to it. I did think this was bigger when I looked on it online, so that might be something you would consider. It is substantial. It's very heavy feeling. You know, like quality things kind of feel substantial, and I would say MAC is a pretty high quality name. It's been around a long time. I can barely get this open. Okay, here we go. Alright, great. So, oh, it's beautiful. This looks so pro, right? Can you see my TV? I have like some 60s show on, like Matt Houston. That's how shiny that is. You can see your reflection in it. Let's open this up. Oh, right. Oh, okay. It slides. Look at all those colors for $20. That's pretty cool. They are teeny, teeny, tiny. So like if you're like, oh, I gotta use that, you know, like kind of for a little girl, if you ask me, like a very little girl. Okay, I'll stop making fun of it. All right, so I can't open it. All right, so I can open this bottom one. Pretty much, I would say that these lip things don't interest me because they're just too tiny. Maybe I'll keep it for jobs because the colors and the quality are good, and it'll be easy to transpo. Oh, voila! Voila! Dinner is served. The movie was that from Better Off Dead? I don't know. Oh no, breakfast is served. What was it? 16 candles. And she opens the box of donuts and she goes, breakfast is served. Yeah. If you haven't seen that movie, you should totally rent it. This is beautiful. Again, it's very tiny amounts. I don't think I'm going to use it as much as I thought I would. It's just too small, and that's going to irritate me. But yeah, that's it. So you get this thing that opens when it wants to. Okay, can we just go back to the hair thing? Because this is great for work and that, because you're definitely not going to put, you know, I mean, it's good for jobs. This is totally heated up. Let's check it out. So with this straightener, I'm just going, the idea behind these tiny straighteners was to get one that didn't have that much of a buildup here. But I mean, I guess compared to larger ones, but it's beveled out, so it doesn't get as flat as I wanted it to. But I do like the ones that are super skinny so that I can get this area. I'll tell you why I like these little travel size, not just because they're travel size, but because they give you more control over your own hair. Like when you're doing someone else's hair, it's like super easy to use a larger, what do you call it, a larger straightening iron, or anything larger, brushes, straightening irons, whatever. But when you're using it on yourself, you get more control from these smaller ones. Let's see if it does any of those fancy tricks. Ooh, like the curling with the straight. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. Ooh. But like I said, you do have more control with this, so you can kind of, ooh, there you go. Yeah, it's cute. You can go right to where you want. Do smaller pieces. Oh, that left an indent. Maybe I should twirl it more. Yes. And this looks kind of funky. I think that's because of the shape of the, okay, that's a little better. Yeah, I'm good with that. That's cute. Yeah, the shape of this has this, like I said, it's convex, like it goes out. But again, with these smaller irons, see, they kind of tell you where you have too much hair in your hand, and it's nice. Ooh, nice. I do love all this control of my hair. Yes. And I would say this is maybe a 5 out of 10, only because of the shape of this having, you know, having that kind of aspect. I do like that it doesn't get super duper hot. I am a fan of that because I don't really need mine to be that hot. I mean, I guess if I left it on for a super long time, maybe I'll change this. How about this trick? Does it do this trick? Might not, because it doesn't get that hot, but, oh yeah, a bit. You must do all the tricks. This one is kind of nice, yeah. I still can't get over how good the leave-in smells. I think, obviously for $20, you're getting probably the best buy ever. I mean, even that makeup one, even though I don't like it because it's too small, I can still use it and have that awesome quality product and that whole variety of shades to offer someone on a job. So that's not a, you know, that big of a disappointment for me. But if, say, you don't do makeup, like, you'll be disappointed because you won't want to use it on yourself every day, really. I mean, unless, you know, you like that small size or you're okay with it. So yeah, I'm having fun with this. I really do like it. It takes a minute, you know. They're because of the shape of these irons, they all take a second to get the hang of, you know, like, what's this one gonna do. Plus the fact that it does not heat up super duper hot. It's actually just stayed at this temperature, it feels like, which isn't super burning. Okay, so overall, I would give the makeup one, the MAC makeup one, created for Macy's, probably a 5 out of 10 if you're not gonna use it for travel, or, I mean, if you're using it for travel and that, it's like a 7 out of 10. But I don't like the teeny tiny. I'm not, now that it looks bigger in the ads, that's why I give it a low score. But I am gonna give this product, or this special gift, a 10 out of 10. Even though these sizes aren't as big as I want them to be, and it has no hairspray with it, like, I would kind of prefer a hairspray or something, but this product smells so good. You're just gonna go out and buy a big one. I am anyway. I love the way that smells. And this is great. Like I said, I like that it doesn't get super duper hot, and I can brush with it in the morning, and I think it does a great job. And like I said, I use just these products and I felt like I was ready to go out. So definitely, if you're looking for a great gift, I don't think this will let you down. I think you'll really like it. If it does let you down, let me know, or if you like it, let me know, because yeah, I think it's great. Please like and subscribe. I love reviewing stuff. This isn't even sponsored, so I'd love to, you know, get my subscriptions up in order to afford all this stuff. But like I said, this one was only $20, and so wasn't this one. But I'm not even gonna return it because, like I said, I can still use it. You know, it's still a great high quality MAC product. Anyway, my name's Kristen. This is Memos in My Hair. I hope you have a great Christmas. Okay, bye.